Hello, it's Andy with Ninox Corporation. In our last class, we introduced the concept of varieties. In this class, I want to talk about how easy it is to set up different varieties of an item. We see here in our inventory listing that I have an item, the wool hoodie, SKU A5848, $20 cost, 200% markup, with a $60 manufacturer suggested retail price. I'm now going to set up two different options for this particular hoodie. I'm going to go to the option or variety icon and confirm. And the first option is going to be defined both by size and design. And it is going to be the wool hoodie size large with zipper. And I'm going to modify the SKU LZ, large zipper. We'll stick with the 200% standard markup, but the zipper is going to add $5 to the cost. So we're going to have $25 in total cost at the 200% markup, a $75 MSRP. For every variety of every item, you can indicate whether or not it's a special order or something that you keep in stock. You also have the option, and this is especially important if it is a special order, to indicate how many days it takes to get this item into stock. The next variety that we're going to set up is going to be based on the wool hoodie, but this one is going to be size large with buttons. So the SKU will be LB, and the buttons will add a $4 cost adjustment. So here we see that I have set up for this item, A5848, two varieties. Variety LB, large button, variety LZ, large zipper. If we had two or three more sizes, maybe in addition to the large, we have the small, the medium, and the extra large. Each one of those size varieties would need to be configured once for buttons, once for zipper. So if we have a particular product, this wool hoodie for example, that differs according to size and style, 4 different sizes, 2 different styles, we would have 8 varieties. Small, medium, large, and extra large size in the button variety, and then all 4 sizes in the zipper variety. We could even indicate that maybe the extra large zipper and the extra large button variety are special orders. We don't keep those in stock. Or maybe the zipper variety is not even offered in size small. This is why it's so important when setting up the varieties of each item that you define a unique SKU, give it a unique description, and either change the markup or the cost adjustment if the price is going to be different from a base unit. Both of these items are active in stock, which means they're currently available for sale, and both of them are going to be included in our sales catalog. The last thing I want you to remember is for certain varieties of certain items, there may be different customer payment requirements. Maybe the standard is the item is paid for when the customer takes delivery of it. You buy a shirt, you hand them the shirt, they pay you for the shirt. If it's a special order item, maybe it's due when the item is ordered. Or maybe you require 50% deposit at time of order and the remaining 50% payment in full upon delivery of the item. That's how easy it is to set up varieties. Look at our next class where we start talking about how we can serialize and uniquely identify specific products in inventory. I'll see you there.